Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to stop Facebook from showing your old memories. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. After that click on Memories. Then press on this icon. After that click on None here. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to stop Facebook from showing your old memories. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.